What's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? Come on in here. Gonna fire me up a goddamn cigar and some blackberry crown. This is brought to you by Flathead Cigars and Blackberry Crown Royal, the limited edition. Nigga. It's only in stores a limited time only. If I just come on in here. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna get on these lawyers' asses, fellas. We're gonna get on these asses. It's the bitch and these hoe ass lawyers too. It's the bitch and these hoe ass lawyers too. We gonna get on their hoe asses. Fuck them in their ass. Did I say all lawyers? No, I didn't. What's going on, PE1? Winners don't quit. Ah, that's some good drink, man. Get you some Crown Royal with a little lemonade in it. Hey, man, that's good, bro. Ooh, what's up? What's up, Keto? What's up, Keto? Let some more people join in. People all over the world, join in. Yeah, fellas, this don't make no sense what's going on with these personal injury cases. These lawyers is out here lying. They lying. They bullshitting. We need to make consequences great again. Let's make consequences great again. Okay? I'm starting a few more, 3 more minutes. Let some more people come in because there's a lot of, stragglers coming in. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. YouTube don't like to alert people the truth. They want you to hear gossip and shit all the time. They don't want me to drop this true shit over here, right? Hold on a second. Let me go to my other email. Let me download this work for y'all for personal injury claim. It ain't came in yet. Well, oh, there you go. There it is. There it is, fellas. There it is. Personal injury cases. Personal injury cases. We're gonna start with the client's right to know. That's what we're gonna start with. Well, hey man, let's get started, fellas. We ain't gonna waste. I ain't gonna waste y'all time. This ain't no legal advice whatsoever. It's a sham stop if we run this child support shit. We ain't giving it back. We ain't on here trying to be famous. We're not on here trying to be models and shit. People want to ask, why you don't show your face? Because it ain't about me, nigga. It's about the truth, nigga. I'm not trying to be famous. I don't want validation. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit, nigga. I'm bringing y'all this work. That's all what matters, you know. Shout out to Jesus Christ for not coming back down here and to fuck with these whole ass niggas and bitches. Yeah, let's get to it. Hold on. Let me know. Can y'all see that? And this This page hits the nail on the coffin with somebody I know. Hold on. Wait a minute. My fucking computer acting up. It's kind of blurry, but I'm gonna read it out to you. Because I ain't gonna be here long. The client's right to know. A lawyer representing a plaintiff in a personal injury action did not relay, a $90,000 settlement offer. So, fellas, guess what? If your that punk ass bitch attorney or lawyer who you hired, right? He don't tell you what these people offering you, guess what? You can sue his motherfucking ass for legal malpractice. That's a legal malpractice suit, nigga. Real talk. He considered it too skimpy. The case went to trial. The jury was even more skimpy. It found for the defendant. The client thereafter learned that the settlement offer and sued the lawyer. You see that? He found out that they already was getting offered and sued the lawyer. And let me tell y'all something. These lawyers, a lot of dumb niggas been making these lawyers so comfortable saying that they know the law, they know this and know that, and all these lawyers don't know the law. They don't study law, case law every day, all day. They don't know every motherfucking thing, right? Because if they knew everything, it wouldn't be a bunch of these motherfuckers, right? They here to practice on you. The client thereafter learned of the settlement offer and sued the lawyer. The client testified that he would have accepted the offer, of course, and the jury believed him. On appeal, the court said it need not decide whether a lawyer has an obligation to transmit a patently unreasonable offer to his client because the jury could reasonably have decided that competent counsel would have presented the $90,000, right? And Morris versus Greenberg held that a lawyer has a duty to communicate settlement offers to a client. That failure to do so is malpractice. That's why I tell niggas when you get you a lawyer, always, we did a video years ago, about 4 or 5 years ago, ask a lawyer. Always ask this motherfucker, do you got legal malpractice insurance? Do you carry legal malpractice? We got a nigga out of jail. We got a brother out of jail in New York just because we asked that lawyer who came and talking about he gonna represent. I said, man, do you got legal malpractice insurance? He said he dropped the phone. It was on the testimony. Dude dropped the phone and let our old client walk out the same day. Right? Because the jury can reasonably decide. Wait, hold on. Let me go back to where I was. Okay. And the expert testimony was not necessarily established the lawyer's negligence. Right? Let me stop it because this shit kind of blurry. Hold on. Yeah, y'all gotta you gotta make these lawyers work for you. They work for you. You the one who giving them a job to get money. They can't say, hey, when the check come, hey, I'm finna show y'all. Let me stop talking. I'm finna go and show y'all. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Y'all see that? Let me know y'all can see that. Let me know y'all see that. This is news you can use live at 5 and 6 at other places. Look at this. The duty to inform and advise. Nichols was injured on the job. He hired attorneys Fulfer and Keller, who pursued a workers' compensation claim against Nichols' employer. They did not advise Nichols that he might also have civil claims against third parties. What's up, man? Nichols learned of this possibility only after the statute of limitations had run on those claims. He sued the lawyers for malpractice. The trial court granted summary judgment for the defendant because the statute of limitations ran out. Now, if he would have got him, he would have realized that after the fact and sued him on time. Guess what? He would have got that bitch ass disbarred. When you catch a lawyer doing dirty shit, nigga, to you, your family, or anybody else, you can get that bitch ass disbarred. Real talk. Ain't nobody else on YouTube on here on this shit but us. Everybody who try to these gurus trying to teach child support and all that, they playing around. These niggas is playing around, fucking each other in the ass. You know what I'm talking about? We dropping these gems for y'all. Let me stop this one. Yeah, all these gurus. They love, that's their favorite word. Gurus. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Loyalty. Y'all see what it says? Loyalty. Y'all see what it says? Loyalty and diligence. These motherfuckers supposed to be loyal to you, man. He ain't supposed to be doing nothing. He said, hey, what you want me to do? You want me to get this money for you? What's up? I got you. Come on, we're going to get this money because I want to get paid. If he up here talking, making deals outside of your claim, your case, that's legal malpractice. If they want to act like bullies, then hey, wait till after 5 o'clock, go fuck him up. Real talk. Make consequences great again in America, niggas. Why y'all can't make consequences great again? He got to suffer that consequence what he did to you. The duties and loyalty of diligence may be considered together since they somewhat overlap. The duty of loyalty requires the lawyer to pursue and to be free to pursue the client's objectives, unfettered by conflicting responsibilities and interests. The duties and loyalty of confidentiality form the basis of the conflict of interest rules discussed in chapter 5 and 6. We're going to pass that bullshit. We finna go to 1908 canons of professional ethics provided in canon 15 as follows. Lawyer owes entire devotion to the interests of the client. Warm zeal in the maintenance and the defense of his rights and the exertion of his utmost learning and ability to the end that nothing be taken or be withheld from him save by the rules of law legally applied. We're going to stop that. So, I don't want to hear nobody. Let me drop this other gem. Hold on. No lawyer should be punking nobody. No lawyers. Lawyers are what? That's a master-servant relationship. You are the lawyer's master, nigga. Remember that. You employed the broke bastard, right? A lot of these lawyers got rich off of niggas' dumb stupidity and retardedness. Now, look at the top of this screen. It says deception to induce his client to settle against the client's will. The decision to settle is the client's alone, nigga. They can't sum up, we just gonna settle. Nigga, it's you. You gotta sign off that paperwork. If you don't sign off that paperwork, guess what? Nobody gets fucking paid and they don't want that. They want to see how strong-willed you are. They want to know if they got a fool in their presence. They know not to play with us at Sham Stoppers. They know goddamn right. Clients, however, may delegate authority to their lawyers to settle in civil disputes. Get the most you can over $2 million. If the lawyer has actual authority to settle, that is expressed or implied by the client herself. So what does express and implied mean, fellas? If you don't say shit, you gonna let them do the shit, nigga. See, I'm gonna tell you another thing, another tactic these lawyers use. They want to be your fucking friend. Bitch, we not friends, nigga. I hire you to work, nigga. I hire you to get this paper, nigga. You ain't my friend. What they say? They got the money. All right, we gonna get it. You gonna tell them, yeah, we gonna settle right now. We gonna want all my money and the check right now, nigga. The lawyer will have acted properly in the client, and the client will be bound. That's only if you look. The only time they can act for you is when you sitting around there looking stupid like a dookie on a stick. Oh, he a lawyer. He got it. He know the law. Yeah, when you do that, you get fucking screwed, nigga. Because he works for the state. He's an agent of the state. And then they come back and tell you after, hey, when the check sign, we got child support, man. We got to give all your money to child support. Nigga, no, the fuck you don't, nigga. I'm on my way to come get my check. You don't have my check, I'm a whoop. You don't have my check, see what's gonna happen. You better have my money. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Fellas, make consequences great again. They just saying they gonna give your money away to a bitch. You the one got hurt. You don't want to get injured. Let me stop sharing that shit. Niggas need to stop acting like they looking like Dookie on a stick, man. Shit. I know y'all can see this clear, can't you? Binding the client. Many are circumstances in which a lawyer may bind the client. If they bind you, they bind the stupid. This is how they bind you. They'll make you sign some contracts, a contingency fee, and all that. Y'all need to read that shit because binding is contract. What is an obligor? Someone who binds himself, right? Right. By hiring counsel, a client necessarily delegates authority to speak and act on a range of issues reasonably within the scope of the retainer. If the attorney acts improperly or negligently, the client may still be bound, but he may be able to sue the lawyer for damages. In litigation, as the previous two cases show, an attorney's default, even inexcusable, may be laid to the client. As to between the client and the third party, isn't that correct solution? Isn't that the correct solution? In criminal cases too, we have rather constituently refused to relieve a client of the burdens of a final judgment entered against him due to the mistake or omission of his attorney. Problems arise if the client wants to disavow a settlement after the lawyer has accepted one. Rule: case law give the client the unqualified right to decide whether to settle the matter, civil matter, or enter a plea in a criminal matter. McKnight versus motherfucking Dean, nigga. You hired the nigga, you can fire the nigga. These motherfuckers in Goodwill suits making millions of dollars off of niggas' stupid ass ignorancy of the motherfucking law. We do not condone Attorney Dean's actions in forcing McKnight to settle if McKnight was pig-headed and wanted to tilt at windmills. That was his right. Dean did not have to continue representing him in those circumstances, but he could not, whether to safeguard his fee or any other reason, use. I'm gonna cut it off right there. See, this is how a lot of niggas get caught up in this injury case claim shit. They call, ask questions, right? A lot of them ain't gonna get to see this because a lot of niggas ain't gonna pay attention. They just say, oh man, that nigga just talking about hoes. And now, nigga, we talk about life over here, nigga. We know, like Fracks of Freedom said, we know how to cut our losses. He told me to cut your losses early. Okay? Y'all don't know how to cut y'all losses early. Hey, all we ask you to do is be a man when you come over here. Don't get emotion, nigga. All your emotions, if you got emotions, like just my brother said, Facts of Freedom, peace out to Kish. If you making decisions attached to your emotions, nigga, you gonna lose every motherfucking time, nigga. Fuck out of here. The best people that last in business are the people who don't have fucking emotions about shit. This is business. I gotta show y'all an IWO. Hold on, let me show y'all IWO. Let me show y'all this IWO. Let me show y'all the bullshit I'm talking about. Let me show y'all the bullshit that I'm talking about. Y'all about to see this bullshit. Hold on. What did we talk about the IWO? It says print name of judge and issuing official, Marta Martinez. The title of the judge, issue official, child support representative. Fellas, if y'all can't read between the lines on that, you just gonna be some dookie on the stick. You just gonna be a dumbass nigga. They gonna handle you bad. They know you retarded. They know you slow, and they know you can't read, and they know you can't comprehend. That's how they gonna treat your ass. Make consequences great again, fellas. Stop with the bullshit. How the fuck somebody else gonna tell you about your child, nigga? How you gonna let somebody tell you what the fuck you gotta pay for your child, nigga? In the name of a family court, a Title 4D court. Wake the fuck up, man. They don't give a fuck about them children. So the money gotta go to her first. I thought it had to go to the bitch and the kids. You see the fuck shit? What she gotta do with me? Talking about it's a lien. You didn't have a lien on my dick when I stuck it inside some pussy? You ain't put no lien on her pussy? You didn't put no lien on my dick? Shit, man. Make consequences fucking great again. God damn it. Ain't no excuse for y'all to be getting fucked over y'all money from a lawyer now. And we here to help motherfuckers. Ain't no other channel gonna show you this shit, man. Cause they bullshit and they full of shit. And they the gurus. Cause they need some money. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Me and my nigga Kish, I was in an accident, and nigga, we got that money. I was in an accident, and we got the money. This is way before Sham Stoppers. This is way before Sham Stoppers. We got the money. That nigga laid down a fucking plan, a master plan, and that shit worked, nigga. This nigga is a true fucking businessman. Y'all in the right place, but y'all gonna have to pay some tithes and offering over here. You're gonna have to pay some tithes and offering, and this is church. You're gonna have to pay some tithes and offering, because you ain't gonna get this shit nowhere else. Get on YouTube and see if somebody putting this shit up. Get on YouTube and see. Shit. Well, man, I'm done, man. Y'all have a good day. Peace.